sky, water, land. Every breath of air that passes through here drives the vigorous development of human industry and gives SCR unlimited possibilities for the future. From the birth of the first air compressor in Germany in 1640 to the establishment of SCR in Shanghai in 2000, together with the Japanese Ernest Iwata Group, the company has become a premium service provider for the global industry, relying on its cutting-edge technology in fluid mechanics and its focus on frontier innovation in air compression and vacuum technology. We keep exploring the mystery of air compression with excellent compressed air energy-saving technology and perfect R&D, product, quality, and supply chain management system. We provide better air power system solutions for various industries. If you ask, what is SCR? I think it is the persistent exploration of fine craftsmanship and perfection in the smallest detail. Here, we spend time to understand the power of compressed air. We deliver a perfect answer. CB series adopts magnetic bearing, high-speed motor technology. EMP2 series adopts state-of-the-art air-end and innovative motor liquid cooling technology. G series adopts dry oil-free and supercoating technology. We are the first to start cloud surveys, making remote control possible. And we have sent this answer to more than 80 countries and regions, with more than 500 service outlets worldwide. 20 years of time, we have used more than 10 industry standards, 35 certifications, and more than 100 patents to grow together with more than 80,000 customers. Each footprint is a testimony to SCR's consistent service philosophy. We integrate quality systems throughout the product life cycle. We have been here, here, and here. We always explore in the air, pursue in the wind, and calculate in the cloud. To become world-class air power system solution partner through more than 201 years of sustained vitality. SCR. Inspire infinite power.